Most drivers will spend thousands of dollars maintaining their vehicles over a lifetime. They'll replace brakes, batteries, tires, suspension parts. But the one thing touching almost every moving part inside the engine. Many drivers buy it based on whatever happens to be on sale. And that's where things get expensive. I've opened engines with over 300,000 miles that still had visible crosshatching on the cylinder walls. I've also seen engines with barely 120,000 miles packed with sludge, stretched timing chains, and worn camshafts. The difference wasn't always the engine. Very often it was the maintenance strategy and the oil. Now let's be clear. Any oil meeting the proper specifications can protect an engine when changed on time. But not all oils perform equally over hundreds of thousands of miles. Two oils can carry the same API certification, yet one consistently leaves engines cleaner after years of service. The other may show higher deposits, more oxidation, or reduced protection during extended use. By the end of this video, you'll know which oil brands mechanics trust in vehicles that routinely reach 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles. And the number one oil on this list surprised even some veteran mechanics. Number 11. Supertech Full Synthetic. This is where the ranking begins. And before anyone gets upset, this isn't a bad oil. In fact, it's one of the best values in America. Supertech meets modern API standards and carries approvals required by many manufacturers. For budget-conscious owners, that's important. I've seen plenty of engines survive well past 200,000 miles using it, especially when owners changed it regularly. But here's what many shops notice. When engines are torn down after extremely high mileage, Supertech doesn't always leave internals as clean as some of the premium brands higher on this list. Oil analysis reports often show acceptable wear numbers. Nothing alarming, but oxidation resistance and deposit control generally aren't at the level of the best long-drain synthetics. For normal commuting, perfectly acceptable. For someone trying to squeeze every possible mile out of a truck or SUV, there are stronger options. The drawback is simple. It's designed around value, not maximum long-term performance. Longevity verdict: good for 200,000-mile ownership. Less convincing when you're chasing 400,000 plus miles. But the next oil performs noticeably better in engines with heavy towing and severe service. Number 10. Valvoline Daily Protection. Valvoline has been around forever, and many mechanics trust the brand. This particular line is reliable, affordable, and easy to find. In high-mileage vehicles, it generally performs consistently. Wear numbers are usually respectable. Cold start protection is decent. Sludge control is acceptable. Where it loses ground is under prolonged severe service conditions. Pickup trucks that tow frequently. Commercial vehicles. Heavy stop-and-go operation. During tear-down inspections, these engines often look good. Not exceptional. Just good. And that's an important distinction. Many owners assume all Valvoline products perform identically. They don't. The premium Valvoline formulations rank much higher than the entry-level products. That's one reason this particular oil lands here. Drawbacks: drain intervals should remain conservative. I wouldn't push this oil far beyond recommended intervals. Longevity verdict: solid protection. Best for owners who change oil regularly and don't chase extended intervals. Now this is where the rankings start getting interesting. Number 9. Pennzoil Conventional. Many drivers underestimate conventional oil, especially modern conventional oil. Pennzoil's conventional formulas have quietly protected millions of engines. In older V8 trucks and naturally aspirated engines, they still perform surprisingly well. I've opened older pickup engines running Pennzoil for decades. Some looked remarkably clean, especially when oil changes were frequent. But modern engines are different. Turbochargers, direct injection, variable valve timing, higher temperatures, smaller oil passages. These systems place greater demands on the lubricant. That's where conventional oil starts losing ground. Oil analysis often shows faster viscosity breakdown compared to quality synthetics. High temperature stability becomes the limiting factor. For older engines, still a good option. For newer engines designed around synthetic oil, not ideal. The biggest drawback is shorter service life. You'll need more frequent oil changes to achieve similar protection. Longevity verdict: excellent for older vehicles. Less attractive for modern long-term ownership. And the next brand surprised many mechanics during teardown inspections. Number 8. Castrol GTX Full Synthetic. Castrol has a loyal following, and for good reason. GTX Full Synthetic consistently delivers solid wear protection. In fleet service, it has earned a reputation for reliability. Oil analysis reports often show stable viscosity and respectable wear metals, especially in highway-driven vehicles. One thing many mechanics notice is decent deposit control. Not class-leading, but definitely above average. In engines with 200,000 plus miles, internal cleanliness is usually impressive. The oil holds up well under temperature stress. Cold starts are handled confidently. Timing systems generally remain clean. The drawback: consistency across product lines can create confusion. Castrol sells numerous formulations. Some perform noticeably better than others. Owners sometimes assume every bottle with the Castrol logo delivers identical results. That's not always true. Longevity verdict: very capable. A strong choice for drivers planning to keep a vehicle for the long haul. But the next oil earned a reputation in one of the toughest environments possible: commercial fleets. Number 7. Chevron Havoline ProDS. This oil rarely gets the attention it deserves, yet many fleet operators quietly rely on it. And fleet managers don't care about advertising. They care about cost per mile. During long-term fleet service, Havoline consistently performs well. Wear protection is strong. Oxidation resistance is respectable. Deposit control remains impressive over extended periods. In commercial vehicles accumulating enormous mileage, that matters. Many mechanics have noticed that engines running Havoline often remain surprisingly clean internally, particularly around valve train components. Used oil analysis frequently reveals stable performance even under demanding conditions. Its biggest weakness? Availability. Many drivers simply don't see it on shelves as often as larger competitors. Because of that, it rarely enters the conversation, which is unfortunate. The oil itself performs better than many people realize. Longevity verdict: an underrated choice for serious long-term ownership. And from this point forward, we're entering the oils that regularly show up in engines with extremely high mileage. Some of them might not be the brands you're expecting. Number 6. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Now we're entering the oils that mechanics frequently see in engines with 250,000 to 350,000 miles. This is not the same oil we discussed earlier. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is a significant step up. Many used oil analysis reports show excellent wear protection, especially during cold starts. That's important because a large percentage of engine wear occurs during startup. Oil pressure hasn't fully stabilized. Lubrication films are still developing, and that's when premium additives earn their keep. I've opened engines running this oil for years. One thing that stands out is valve train cleanliness. Camshafts, lifters, and timing components often look remarkably healthy. The oil also performs well in direct injection engines, where fuel dilution can become a concern. Its drawback: price. Once you're spending at this level, you're approaching some of the elite oils higher on this list. That creates serious competition. Longevity verdict: a legitimate high-mileage contender, perfectly capable of supporting extremely long engine life when paired with proper maintenance. If you've ever had an engine pass 200,000 miles, let us know which oil you used. Because what works in the real world is often more valuable than marketing claims. Now let's keep going. Number 5. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This oil consistently impresses mechanics during teardown inspections. Pennzoil's gas-to-liquid base oil technology has earned a strong reputation, and the results are often visible. I've seen engines with over 250,000 miles that remained unusually clean internally. Piston deposits were minimal. Valve train components looked healthy. Oil passages remained remarkably free of sludge. Oil analysis frequently shows strong oxidation resistance and stable viscosity. That's critical for long-term durability, especially in turbocharged engines where temperatures can become extreme. Many high-mileage owners report excellent results. Taxi fleets and highway-driven vehicles have shown particularly strong performance. The drawback: cost. It's rarely the cheapest option, and availability can vary depending on location. Some stores simply don't stock it consistently. Longevity verdict: one of the best oils available for drivers focused on engine cleanliness. Now this is where things become difficult, because the next 4 oils are all excellent. The differences become smaller, but over 300,000 or 400,000 miles, small differences matter. Number 4. Castrol Edge Extended Performance. This is one of the oils that routinely surprises people. Castrol Edge often performs exceptionally well in used oil analysis reports. Wear numbers are consistently low. Shear stability is excellent. High temperature protection is among the strongest in the industry. For trucks, SUVs, and towing applications, that matters. Many mechanics have observed that timing chains tend to remain healthier when high-quality oils with strong viscosity retention are used consistently. That's one reason this oil ranks so highly. During teardown inspections, engines often show excellent varnish control and limited sludge accumulation. The oil simply holds up well. Its drawback, again, price. And some owners may not benefit from its premium capabilities if they change oil very frequently. Longevity verdict, outstanding for long-term ownership, especially for drivers who tow, haul, or operate under severe service conditions. But the next oil has earned a near-legendary reputation among high-mileage enthusiasts. Number 3. Amsoil Signature Series. This brand creates strong opinions. Some drivers swear by it. Others think it's overrated. The truth lies somewhere in the middle. What isn't controversial is its performance. Used oil analysis reports frequently show exceptional wear control. Oxidation resistance is outstanding. Viscosity retention is among the best in the industry. Many engines running Amsoil for hundreds of thousands of miles remain impressively clean. Fleet operators, diesel owners, and long-distance drivers often report excellent results. During teardown inspections, ringlands and piston crowns frequently show limited deposits. That's not magic, it's chemistry. High-quality base stocks and robust additive packages simply resist degradation longer. The drawback? Cost. Amsoil is expensive, and for many drivers, the additional protection may exceed what they actually need. Longevity verdict. A premium oil designed for serious long-term ownership. One of the strongest performers available. Now we're down to the final 2, and both have built reputations in engines that routinely exceed 300,000 miles. But only one takes the top spot. Number 2. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Few oils have been studied as heavily as Mobil 1. It appears everywhere. Personal vehicles, commercial fleets, police vehicles, taxi fleets, high-performance applications, and countless high-mileage engines. That's important because reputation alone doesn't create this kind of track record. Results do. Oil analysis often reveals excellent wear control, strong oxidation resistance, reliable viscosity stability. Many engines reaching 300,000 miles and beyond have one thing in common: consistent Mobil 1 use. I've opened engines with extraordinary mileage that remained remarkably clean internally. Timing systems looked healthy. Oil passages remained clear. VVT components functioned properly. That matters because modern engines depend heavily on clean oil flow. Its drawback? Some older formulations varied over the years, and certain engines may consume it slightly faster than competing products. Still, its long-term record is difficult to argue against. Longevity verdict. One of the safest choices for drivers who plan to keep a vehicle indefinitely. Which brings us to number 1. And honestly, this ranking surprises some mechanics every time. Number 1. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. Yes, a diesel oil. And that's exactly why this surprises people. Now let's be careful. Not every gasoline engine should use Rotella T6. Always follow manufacturer requirements and viscosity recommendations. But in applications where it's appropriate, Rotella has earned an extraordinary reputation. Fleet operators trust it. Commercial vehicle owners trust it. Diesel truck owners trust it. And many mechanics trust it. Why? Because engines running Rotella often stay exceptionally clean. Wear protection is outstanding. High temperature stability is excellent. Deposit control is consistently impressive. Some of the cleanest high-mileage engines I've seen were running Rotella for years. Oil analysis frequently shows strong additive retention and excellent protection under severe loads. This oil was built to survive punishment, long highway miles, heavy towing, commercial service, high operating temperatures. That's why it repeatedly appears in engines with 300,000, 400,000, and sometimes even 500,000 miles. Not because it's magic, because it's designed for durability. The drawback? Compatibility. You must verify that your engine and emission system can properly use it. Ignoring manufacturer specifications is never a smart strategy. Longevity verdict. One of the most durable and trusted oils ever developed for long-term service. And for the right application, it earns the top spot. Here's the truth most oil debates miss. Oil alone does not determine engine life. Maintenance habits matter. Oil change intervals matter. Correct viscosity matters. Air filtration matters. Cooling system maintenance matters. I've seen engines survive 400,000 miles on mid-tier oil because the owner changed it religiously. I've also seen engines fail early while using premium oil because maintenance was neglected. The best oil in the world cannot save a neglected engine. But the right oil, used consistently, can absolutely help an engine survive for decades. Now I want to hear from you. What oil are you currently using? And which ranking surprised you the most? If you enjoy practical mechanic advice backed by real-world observations, subscribe and stick around. We've got more engine longevity videos coming, because the difference between a worn-out engine and a 500,000-mile survivor is often much smaller than most drivers think.